hold on. Got one right there. Right there. Oh, hit! One went that way. Go, go. Ah!
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys, that's game. Safety's on max out. Safety's on max out. Keep your mask on. Looks like Red won that. Good job, Red.
Oh shit, not fair. Woo.
Yeah, you get stuck in that corner over there, you're fucked.
I know.
You know?
3, I'm like, no!